Hey there, skincare lovers. Want to give your skin a fresh, radiant glow without using harsh products? You're in the right place. Today we're talking about natural ways to detox your skin. Easy, effective, and totally skin-friendly. First things first, do we even need a skin detox? Our skin naturally gets rid of toxins, but sometimes it needs a little extra love to fight off pollution, stress, and buildup. That's where natural detox methods come in. Not sure if your skin needs a detox? Here are some telltale signs. Looking tired and dull? More breakouts than usual? Uneven skin tone? Feeling extra oily? Or super dry? If you said yes to any of these, it's time to give your skin a detox boost. Now let's talk solutions. Here are some easy and natural ways to refresh your skin. Steam your face. This opens up your pores and helps remove impurities. Just a few minutes over warm water does wonders. Clay masks. They absorb excess oil and pull out toxins. Plus, they leave your skin feeling oh so smooth. Dry brushing. Yep, brushing your face with a soft brush improves circulation and removes dead skin cells. And of course, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and keeps your skin glowing. Wondering how often to do this? A simple detox once a week is plenty. Just listen to your skin. It'll tell you what it needs. Can natural detox cause skin reactions? That's a good question. While natural methods are gentle, some people may experience irritation, especially with clay masks or essential oils. Always do a patch test before trying anything new. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what you put in your body. Eat plenty of antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts. And don't forget, hydration is key to glowing skin. And that's it. Detoxing your skin naturally is simple, effective, and totally worth it. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips. Stay glowing.